Dream Tours Lefkada, and our e-bike guided tour starts today because we just received the bikes from Fido M1 Pro. We are so excited today. We've already unboxed a few, so we have pretty enough experience to show you how the last unboxing goes from A to Z. And we would like also to thank Goscooters for the order and Fido.com for the delivery, for the fast delivery. And we are so excited. We have pretty enough experience now. We'll show you how we can unbox the last bike here that we have from our fleet, only with the use of the tools that we received from Fido. And basically you will only need, as an extra, one scissor and also one screwdriver. Okay. So we have here the charger, guys, which we'll need later on. Now we have one bag. This is the most important bag that you will need for the unboxing and the easy setup of the bike. We have the axes and some Allen keys. We leave them here. Also we have the reflector that goes at the back of the seat. An unplug. If you are from the UK, you will need it. Now we have also the leaflet. Guys, keep this one just in case you need to see a few more stuff about your bike. So this is important as well. Now we'll take these out, the seat, take out all those protectors, ceiling here. I'll recommend you to put the seat first, and now you will see what's the reason for. And now we start cutting the tire wraps here. So the first one, protector, here we have the fenders. Take those out. Very important here, you have some screws inside where you will need to do the front light, where you will need to screw it, so keep that in mind for later on. And the front protector. And now, κανένα stop. So guys, the reason that I told you to keep the seat here is that you will need the seat as a stand. So you will not need an extra person here, because otherwise you might need it, or you might scratch your Fido if you put it directly to the ground, and this is something that you don't want to. So, here are the tire wraps. We take out those safeties here from the front wheel. We cut these ones here very carefully so you don't scratch the fork. And this one, you don't need it. So guys, now is the part of the bag. Very important. We take out carefully the axis of the front wheel. Easy peasy. Here you have those two parts. You need to unscrew them here. So very easy and carefully. You take out this safety, you take out the brake safety, the red one here. Now you pass the axis here on the wheel. drive carefully. The brake, the disc into the brakes. Okay. And now we have to start screwing on the other side. Very easy. Excellent. And now we'll need to lock it here. Perfect. Now your wheel is stable, so that means the job is done. And now, guys, it's time that we take out the bike. Carefully again. So you can use two sides. Place it down the ground and put the kickstand so it stands. What else? So guys, next step, we unfold the neck here of the wheel. We have to find the right Allen. So we unscrew the screws here carefully. Screw one is out. Second screw is also out. Perfect. We hold them here on the part so they don't go anywhere. We also need to cut the last tire up here. And carefully we place the wheel. And we screw back. So you see, it's a very easy process. If you keep in mind the right steps, this is what that video is made for. Show you how to set up your Fido M1 Pro very easily and very quickly. No rush, some practical stuff here. And now we need to set it to this appropriate direction here, the wheel, so it's very easily held during driving. So very important, we screw very well those screws here, and the wheel is fine. Huh? How long did it take? Nothing. Close. Now guys, for the next step we have to set the reflector. Okay, this is for your safety, especially when you are driving at night. You need this stuff, so not avoid putting it. So that's fine from here. And this is where you will need the screwdriver that I told you in the beginning. So very easy with the use of your finger from one side and the screwdriver from the other side. Now you'll place it here at the very top of the neck of the seat, and now you have to screw it again. Screw it back, and it's fine. Thanks. Now guys, the last part that you need to take care of is the light, the front light. Okay, as I said to you, all the screws here for the light, they are on the fender's bag. So you need to cut here, open it up, and basically, because we will run tours during the summer, we will not need the fenders, so we just need from this bag the big screw that you see here. And here, so it's all that stuff. That's all you need to set up your light here. But first, you will need to find again the right Allen in order to set up the right position on your light. So to be something like this. Perfect. And now, so now guys, you have to pass this small wheel from this side so you can keep resistance of the light. Pass the light here from the fork, and then you have to screw it back here. So guys, last part, the front light is been screwed perfectly. Sorry to tell you, but you need also something like this to keep the resistance from that side, but this is all you need only for this purpose here and for nothing else. And voila, the bike is set. Now the only thing, last thing we need to do is to take out the keys that are here, and final part, we need to take out the battery. So we take out the kickstand because we have the stand here. When the bike is folded, we open it up, we let it rest here like this and like this, and now easy peasy. Down here you will find the key. Take out the safety, and there is this thing here. We need to pull it out. And this is how you take the battery out. Try not to lose your keys because that's the most important part. You need to put it back when you charge the battery, and I will recommend you keep one inside the house or in your warehouse, wherever, as a backup. So guys, the last thing that you need to know is the rear suspension here that controls the sense of driving. So for example, if you want hard sense of driving, you can go clockwise here, or if you want something more smooth, you go anti-clockwise. So your rear suspension now is responding, it's not hard. In comparison with the front fork, it gives you the smoothest sense of driving, especially in off-road. And pretty much this was it. This was the video. I hope that you got some nice and practical ideas on how to unfold your Fido M1 Pro. And we would like to thank for one more Goscooters.gr and Fido.co. We are so excited, guys, to start the season with our fleet here and start our e-bike guided tours. We hope to see you around in Greece, and especially here in Lefkada. And if you have any queries, you can always drop us a quote either here on YouTube or via our website or any other social media. You will find us. And thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you around.